What's the meaning of All Blacks? All Blacks. All Blacks. All Blacks. All Blacks. All Blacks.
All Blacks refers to the New Zealand national rugby union team. The team has a long and successful history, having won numerous Rugby World Cups and consistently ranking among the top teams in the world. The name All Blacks is said to have originated from the team's black uniforms, which were designed to intimidate their opponents. The team has become an icon of New Zealand culture and national pride, with rugby often being referred to as the country's national sport. Overall, the All Blacks represent a highly successful and celebrated rugby team with a strong cultural significance in New Zealand.